Well, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to the workshop on explainable artificial intelligence in healthcare. My name is Pepe Juarez, and with me, there are the rest of the organizers. Juan Zhengxing from Zhejiang University. Hi. And Gregor Stiglik from the University of Maribor. Hi, Gregor.
Hi.
Well, would like to thank the people who make this event possible. First, we would like to thank to the AMI organization, Alan and the two Pedros and their team for the support of this event. We want to thank our keynote speaker and our panel of experts. Many thanks also to all researchers who are going to present their fantastic work. Well, in the audience, there are people from all over the world. From some of you in North America, it's quite early in the morning, reasonable time in Europe, but very late at night in Asia and Australia. All of you, thank you so much for your time. Explainable AI, XAI, let's say, is a quite new topic. And indeed, in some communities, there is still a strong discussion about what XAI even means. The goal of this workshop is to provide a place of intense discussion of XAI in the healthcare domain. And we hope this workshop will give newcomers an opportunity to discover XAI, and for active researchers in this field, insights on current developments, challenges, and find new friends for our scientific adventures. So what's next? Remember that the agenda is available at the workshop webpage and Twitter. We will post the link in the chat room. Just a brief reminder. Okay, let me share the. Here you are. The reminder, yes. Okay, we will have two paper sessions. A first session on natural language and explanations, and a second session on interpretable machine learning and visualization. After that, we'll have a keynote session starting at 4:30 Porto, London time, and an expert panel session just after. Hopefully, we will finish about 6:15. Well, as mentioned in the local organization, we will record some of the presentation, but not the Q&A. But in any case, if you do want to be recorded, we invite you to turn your camera off. You can participate just asking using the Q&A chat room or just in Twitter. We really hope you enjoy the event and have fun. Thank you for your attention. And now let me welcome Juan Zhengxing, who is chairing the first session.
Thank you, Pepe. Thank you, Pepe.